St Johns Wort, the healing herb with a multitude of uses. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of St Johns Wort, also known as Hypericum perforatum. In this video, we'll explore how amazing this plant is, so let's get started. St Johns Wort is a perennial plant native to Europe, but it has since spread to other parts of the world. It's easily recognizable by its bright yellow flowers and small, oval leaves. The plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research has confirmed many of its healing properties. Some of the most common uses for St. Johns Wort include treating depression, anxiety, and inflammation, as well as promoting wound healing and combating infections. St. Johns Wort has been used for centuries as a traditional remedy for a variety of ailments, both physical and mental. Its popularity as a natural remedy has grown in recent years as people look for alternative treatments that are gentler and less harsh than conventional medications. One of the key reasons for its effectiveness is the combination of hypericin and hyperforin, two powerful compounds found in the plant. Hypericin has been shown to block the reuptake of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which can help to elevate mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Hyperforin, on the other hand, has potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it useful for treating skin conditions and fighting off infections. In addition to its use for mental health and skin conditions, St. Johns Wort has also been used to treat digestive problems such as indigestion and bloating, as well as menstrual cramps and menopausal symptoms. It has also been shown to have a positive effect on sleep, helping to promote deeper and more restful sleep. Although St. Johns Wort is widely regarded as a safe and natural alternative to conventional medications, it is essential to exercise caution when using it, particularly if you are taking prescription medications. This is because St. Johns Wort has been shown to interact with certain drugs, such as antidepressants and birth control pills, which can reduce their efficiency or cause adverse effects. Furthermore, while St. Johns Wort is generally well tolerated, it may cause side effects in some individuals, including dry mouth, dizziness, and skin sensitivity to sunlight. It is therefore crucial to adhere to the recommended dosage and to seek guidance from a healthcare provider before incorporating St. Johns Wort into your healthcare regimen. It's also important to note that St. Johns Wort supplements may vary in quality, and therefore it is recommended to select products from reputable manufacturers that adhere to good manufacturing practices, GMP. Third-party certification can provide an additional level of assurance regarding the purity, potency, and safety of the supplement. In summary, while St. Johns Wort can offer various health benefits, it is essential to exercise caution and seek professional guidance when using it, particularly if you are taking prescription medications. By doing so, you can maximize its potential benefits while minimizing any potential risks or side effects. In conclusion, St. Johns Wort is a versatile and effective natural remedy that can be used to treat a variety of physical and mental health conditions. Its powerful compounds, hypericin and hyperforin, work together to provide anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antidepressant effects. However, as with any natural remedy, it's important to use St. Johns Wort responsibly and under the guidance of a health care provider. St. Johns Wort has a rich history and cultural significance in many parts of the world. In ancient Greece, it was used to ward off evil spirits, while in medieval Europe, it was believed to protect against witchcraft and demonic possession. Today, it's still used in some traditional midsummer celebrations, where it's believed to bring good luck and ward off misfortune. In addition to its spiritual and protective uses, St. Johns Wort has also been used as a natural dye, producing a range of colors from yellow to red. It's even been used as a flavoring agent in certain alcoholic beverages, like the traditional German herbal liqueur, Johannisberg Schnapps. There are several ways to use St. Johns Wort, depending on your needs. For mental health support, it's commonly taken as a supplement in capsule or tablet form. You can also find it in teas, tinctures, and extracts. For topical applications, such as treating burns or wounds, you can use St. Johns Wort infused oil or cream. St. Johns Wort has been the subject of numerous scientific studies, which have confirmed many of its traditional uses. For example, research has shown that it can be an effective treatment for mild to moderate depression, with fewer side effects than conventional antidepressants. Other studies have demonstrated its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, supporting its use in treating infections and inflammation. In recent years, researchers have also been exploring new potential applications for St. Johns Wort, such as its potential role in cancer treatment and neuroprotection. While more research is needed, these findings highlight the incredible versatility and potential of this healing herb. Growing St. Johns Wort is relatively easy, as it's a hardy plant that can thrive in a variety of conditions. It prefers well-drained soil and full sun, but it can also tolerate partial shade. To grow it from seed, simply scatter the seeds on the soil surface and lightly cover them with soil. The seeds should germinate within a few weeks. If you're interested in foraging for St. Johns Wort, you can typically find it growing in meadows, fields, and along roadsides. Just be sure to properly identify the plant before harvesting, as there are some lookalikes that can be toxic. The best time to harvest St. Johns Wort is when it's in full bloom, usually between June and August. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at some interesting facts about St. Johns Wort. 1. The name St. Johns Wort comes from the fact that the plant typically blooms around the feast day of the St. John the Baptist, which is June 24th. 2. The species name, perforatum, refers to the tiny translucent dots on the leaves, which look like small holes when held up to the light. 3. St. Johns Wort has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years, where it's known as Guan Yi Lian Chao. 4. In some countries, St. Johns Wort is considered an invasive species due to its ability to spread rapidly and outcompete native plants. So there you have it, the incredible healing powers and fascinating history of St. Johns Wort. Whether you're interested in using it for its medicinal properties or simply want to grow it in your garden, the versatile herb has a lot to offer. As always, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before using any new herbal remedies, and happy foraging! Thank you for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you next time!